Guys, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is CAC speaking, and there's currently an issue with payment on the CAC platform, and personally this issue has frustrated me for weeks. I've been unable to deliver jobs. Fortunately for me, somebody reached out yesterday and told me that, oh, there's a new development on the platform, and that if you have so details, you will be able to verify your payment, especially if you have made payment before now. So I tested it out this morning and it worked, and I want to share this tip with you guys. So if you're watching these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you click on the notification bell so that I can get notified anytime we release videos like this. So I'll walk you through the process of making sure you don't lose money for the registration. Right, I've been trying to look for a way for ways out of this for days now, even weeks, and it has been fruitless, right? But this time around we have gotten a method that will work. So I need to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that I don't miss any part of this particular guide. So the first thing you need to do is that you can see that I'm using an accredited agent account. I am currently at the registration portion, right? When you click on registration portion, that particular business you are working on, you come here and you search for it. So for my case, the name of the business is Bashik. Here, let me search for it properly. BASH. Okay, this is it. SH. This is the name. You see that it is not submitted. I've started registration in October 7th, and if I started October 7th, that means, and today is 30 or something, so you can see how many days. 3 weeks gone, and I've not been able to deliver this job, which doesn't make sense. So what you need to do in this registration is to first click on check payment. Now I've been trying this particular method, but it has not been going through. You can see that it didn't even bring any option for me. Click on it. I will make sure there's a notification that pops up after you have clicked on it, right? It's still not bringing anything. Keep clicking on it. But for me, one of the, okay, you can see that it's showing that I'm offline. Maybe the network is not very strong. That's why it's showing that. You can see, okay, it's verifying the payment, right? So now it's asking me to pay for stamp duty. This particular payment has now moved, right, from the state. But what I want to show you in this video is not for this particular payment. So if your payment moved, that means the initial payment. What I'm trying to help you verify right now in this video is payment to the CAC, right? That payment that I showed you now, it has moved from CAC registration. Now it's now requesting for me to pay stamp duty. So now for another one, this one is Tema. This one now, it has not moved. I'm sure of that. Tema Logistics. This one too is been a while we've worked on it. Tema, where is it? Okay, Tema Logistics. Look at it. I will do the same thing for this one. No payment found. That's what it's bringing up. And actually, I've paid. I've been debited, and all right. Let's allow it to load up. No payment found. Complete your application and make payment to continue. So now what do? We have to go through this payment very fast. Now I'll continue the application since it's telling me that no payment found. So let me pause this video for the sake of the details of my client. So right now I've been able to skip through all the details of the client. Now I'm clicking on save and continue. So now this is where it's going to be verifying the payment I've made. Now you will see that the first option is going to tell you is to pay again with a new remitter, different from the remitter number that you had used to pay initially. What the mistake some people will make is to go and click on remitter here and try to make the payment. Now the new development is this option that is up here like this. This option here, if you have made payment before, for this process you can manually verify the status of your payment with your RRR here, or proceed with your payment below if you haven't paid yet. I believe you get that, guys. So what we want to do now is to verify the payment you have made initially, right? So we have made a payment before, so we click on the verification of payment. Now one of the major things that is important for this to work is that you must save the RRR for that particular registration. The RRR is very important. If you have not saved the RRR, then you would not be able to verify the payment. If you just click on verify status, payment status, it will tell you you need to provide an RRR. And when you are providing an RRR, you must make sure that RRR, there's a payment that has been made on the RRR, right? The remitter number. So what we need to do right now, I will go and check for mine. Now you must also make sure that you have been debited for this payment. I'll be tagging a video around somewhere around here showing you how to verify the confirmation of a payment. But without more stress, let me quickly help you guys out. So the first thing you need to do, send an email to support@remitter.net. Now what you are doing with this email is that you are trying to confirm if your payment was actually confirmed by Remitter. Don't forget that Remitter is the gateway between CAC and the ICRP portal, that is you, right? So they are the one processing the payment. Once you make the payment from your bank account or from your ATM card and everything, they will be the one to process the payment and remit it back to CAC. CAC will now confirm that, oh, we have received this payment, and then they will move your registration from wherever it is not submitted to pending or whatever they need to do. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So in this particular instance now, you need to verify that that payment has been confirmed. So for this particular one, I've sent an email to Remitter before, or I have gone to remitter.net. Now at remitter.net, what I'm doing on this website is to verify that there has been a payment made. Now you will see that when you go to remitter.net, you will see down here resend remitter, right? I've verified the remitter number. This resend remitter, once you click on it, it loads up. You put in the remitter number. The email you have provided before now will receive a remitter receipt to confirm the payment. And now you can now send an email to CAC thereafter. And but before you send the email to CAC, come here and insert that remitter number right here and click on verify remitter. You can see it say fail to validate payment record on remitter on this RRR. So that means either the payment has not been confirmed by CAC, or remitter is yet to remit the payment to CAC. So I've been doing this severally. So the next thing you need to do, normally once you click on verify payment status, if the payment has been made, it will pop up and go through for you, right? It will just move to stamp payment for stamp duty immediately without any stress. So but if this is the case you are facing, the next thing you want to do is to send an email to CAC, and I'll show you how the message should look like. Now, so don't forget that this website where I have the remitter number, put in the remitter number, click on resend to remitter to the number, to the email address you have provided, right? Click on send remit receipt. It will send the receipt to that email that was already provided. So if I check my email and I refresh, I've already gotten a notification on my phone. If I refresh this email inbox, I would see an email that has come in. You can see this email. This email is the new email confirming that the payment was actually made to remitter, and remitter is telling me that, oh, this payment was actually received, right? Once I click on, please click here to view the invoice, the e-receipt. It will open up and show me the detail of the receipt of the payment that was made, right? So now what you want to do is that the receipt that was sent to you by CAC, the screenshot of the payment that you made, you can see this is the receipt sent to CAC. The screenshot of the payment that was made to you, that you were used to debit, right? You put it. The RRR, this was an upgrade. That's why I'm putting the RRR like this, right? This was an upgrade. So the details, the name of the company, the RRR of the availability code of the company, right? And the remitter receipt, the screenshot that was displaying, this is what was showing. I sent it to them, and the receipt as well. You sent it to this email address. Look at the email address you are sending to: support@remitter.net, ict@cac.gov.ng, cservice@cac.gov.ng. Send it to all these emails. If I have other emails that you are going to send to later, I'll also provide them in the description or in the comment below, right? So once you send these emails, you wait for like 24 to 48 hours. Personally, I just sent the email some few hours ago. This is 9:42, and this is almost 10 o'clock or thereabout. So I just sent the emails some few minutes ago. So after that, then you still come back here, and after they have responded to the email, you come back here and also verify the payment status. It will move in, definitely. That's if you don't have money to pay. But if you are someone who don't have time, your client is pressuring you and everything, you can just come and make another payment. When you make another payment, to go through. If it doesn't go through, now follow. You don't forget you must have copied the RRR. So this means that whenever you are making payment, the RRR is like very important, right? You must make sure you copy the RRR at every point in time. Put it somewhere safe. Tag that RRR specifically to that particular name of the business. And once you do that, you'll be able to confirm that, oh, the payment was made. This RRR is for this particular registration, and you are intending to make the payment for this particular registration. So you keep the RRR safe, right? And then you come here and verify that particular payment, at every point in time. Somebody shared this with me, and it has helped me. That particular registration you saw that I did the other time that I was taking it to stamp duty, it was because I tried the method and it worked, right? So I wanted to record this screen to show you guys what to do to verify your payment. If this video helped you, there's nothing you can do than to just subscribe, comment down below, recommend, share this video with as many people as possible. If you have a community of CS of people that do CS registration, why not just share this video and send it to them for them to be able to get this sorted in time, right? My name is Ezekiel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless you.